Hey, I wanted to do a quick unboxing of this. I haven't opened this yet, but this is classic me. I bought accessories for a griddle that I don't own yet. So there's that. And anyway, so I intend on buying a Blackstone grill for our camper, and it's going to have a griddle. But as I was shopping, I ran across this and it was a good deal, and I thought I'm going to go ahead and get this. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox this and show you what's in here. These are a griddle accessory kit. Has a nice little carrying bag, which is going to be perfect when I put my grill and stuff away. It'll have a nice little bag for it. This is one of the reasons I bought this, because it has, a place to carry all this stuff. So here's what it comes with. Let's see. That's not going to work, is it? Let's do it down here. So it comes with a couple bottles for, doing your water and your vinegar or whatever you want to do with that. I still got to learn how to use the grill. I know I probably should know what's in that. These are kind of cool though. These are for eggs, so you can put these on your griddle. These are the silicone molds for your eggs that you can put on your griddle and do your eggs, and they all stay in one spot. There's 4 of these that come with it, which is really cool. It's got a little pick-up handle on it too, which I kind of liked, and it's the silicone, so it's high temperature and will work out fine for that. They include a little basting brush in here. This silicone. You've got your regular tongs, which are, everybody needs regular tongs. In case you don't know how these work, some people don't know how these work. You close this up and you pull this out. That locks them down. And if you pull it apart while that's locked, it breaks the lock. So don't do that. This is how you lock and unlock most tongs. Pull that out, locks it, let go, lets it spring out. A little helpful extra piece there. I've had to fix one of those before, so I know that. Also has a chopping blade for chopping up vegetables and such. Nice little chopping blade. And it's got an empty bag, which probably was one of those things that came loose. And then you got your little griddle spatulas, which has got an angled edge on it, which is kind of cool. That'll be handy. And then you got the big one for bacon, which is nice. Flip over bacon. And you got your scraper to scrape the griddle off at the end, clean it up. And then you've got this one that's got the holes in it, which I guess you could also use for bacon, let it drain some of the grease and stuff as you use it. Probably got a little bit to learn how to use some of this stuff. And that's it. And that's the bag. That's the empty bag. The one thing I'm going to add to this probably is a press, like a sausage press, that I'll probably find a small one that's kind of heavy that I'll add to the bag. But yeah, this is kind of cool. I think this is 26 bucks for all this stuff, and it's pretty high quality. I like the handles, and they're very utilitarian, which I like. They're very useful. They seem very heavy duty. They're stainless steel, and I liked these for the eggs. I think that's going to work out great on the griddle. Anyway, just wanted to share that with you. If you want one of these, the link is below. I don't know if they're still $26 by the time you view this or not, but I did get it for that, and they are heavy-duty stainless steel. If you've got a griddle or are going to have a grill outside, they're probably great to have, and they'll be a good toolkit for our camping. So that's why I went ahead and got it, even though I don't have the grill yet, which I will also link below. The grill I'm going to buy is going to be the Blackstone Tailgater, and that's a great grill, and I'll put a link to that here too. And then I'll be doing a review of that in the future. I'm certain of it because I'm going to buy it and figure out how to get it mounted to the trunk or the back somehow. But anyway, this is the toolkit. This would be great for griddle in the house, outside the house. Doesn't matter, but wanted to share this with you and show you how ridiculous I am buying a toolkit for something I don't own yet. Thanks for watching.